Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to sync your Outlook calendar with Microsoft Teams in 2026. Now, since both of these applications are part of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, they are designed to work together automatically. But I will show you how you can verify the connection and create the linked events. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open the Microsoft Teams application on your computer. Before checking your calendar, you need to ensure that you are signed in into the exact same email account that you use for your Outlook account. You can verify this by clicking on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen, and you need to simply check the email address that is listed over here. You need to look at the navigation bar on the left side of the Teams window, and here simply click on the option of Calendars tab. So this is the view that you are going to see automatically, which is going to pull your data from Outlook. So if I go to the Outlook section, if I click on the option of calendar here, you will see that I have this particular meeting discussion available, and here if you come in the calendar in team, it is showing me the same meeting available here, which simply means that my account or both of these applications are actually synced, and this thing is automatic. You don't need to do anything. You just have to sign in with the same email address which you are using in Outlook in your Microsoft Teams. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.